awesome. So we was able to keep them clear. Yeah, that was my main concern, was to keep this right here, because I have not seen nobody do these wheels yet.
Well, I'll tell you. So the edging is not 1,000%. I explained that to Joe.
Okay.
He couldn't paint them.
Yeah, he couldn't. That's why he said.
So with powder, the problem is it goes in an oven twice.
Yeah.
Base coat and top coat.
Uh-huh.
Powder moves, so you tape it off. It's leaving an inch.
Uh-huh.
So I'm telling you, man, I worked on these a lot. Did
Uh-huh.
the best we could with them, because that's a small. It's one thing to tape off like a big,
Yeah.
like a shelf. You clean them or anything after we untaped them. Normally, I won't even untape them. That's your.
Oh well, yeah, but this looks awesome, man. I'm telling you, I'm very much happy with what I'm seeing. Even if there's a little bleed. Yeah, you go.
Let's cut you off.
Yeah.
So, see, can you hand me one of your rotors? My guys actually kind of messed up. When we do rotors, I don't normally paint this.
Yeah.
So if you want the paint off, I'm gonna go take it off right now.
No, I'm gonna leave it there. It's gonna. Well, what do you? Well, you know, it's gonna
You
be
like
breaks.
it, or-
It's,
Yeah, it won't hurt nothing.
it'll eventually flake off, I guess, with over time.
It shouldn't.
We'll leave it there.
Okay.
Yeah. It'll
Yeah, because
it'll add more contrast.
My guys taped it and cut it.
Oh, this would be,
and I didn't catch it. I'm like,
It'll add contrast. That's why I looked at it. I said, okay, you like it? I
well,
love
here's
it.
why. So hand me the pulley now. Here's why. Because that one, I have a thing. I told them to leave this edge because this edge is blue.
Okay.
So I'm like, don't leave that silver and that blue. That was stupid.
Yeah.
And they took it to a whole next level, and I didn't catch it.
Okay.
I was like,
Yeah.
damn it.
I'm in agreement with that. Yeah.
Okay.
You wouldn't happen to have anything I could wrap this up, would you?
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
I don't have anybody's shit until you see it.
Yeah, I like to wrap it up. Yeah, because I gotta pick up a whole bike
You like
now.
it?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, the desired effect is what I wanted.
Okay.
Because I'm. Now, if you look at that, Joe, and look at this here, God damn it, I tell you, that's pretty darn close. Huh?
I think luck's on our side.
Yeah.
That's pretty lucky.
That's pretty lucky. Yeah, most definitely. Yeah. Yep, I was right in there.
Figure if your fender is right there,
Uh-huh.
you're good.
Yeah. Better than good. We're awesome. Awesome and awesome times too awesome. That's what I would say if somebody asked me.
I like it.
Yeah.
I've been accused of saying awesome too much.